Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about replacing my left side mirror. It looks like the motor is broken on it, and I've got to get a replacement. Got to mow the lawn, but first I got to fix the mirror. So the first thing I got to do is I have to take the door panel off. Apparently there's 3 bolts here, and it's attached to this window. And so I looked into actually just replacing the motor that's right inside there. Very difficult to do. This comes off, but this doesn't come apart very well. So I ordered the whole assembly, and I got an OEM assembly on eBay for about $400 Canadian. Here it is, and I got to install it. Let's see how that works out. Before I take the door panel off, I have to take a couple screws off. So there's a couple screws hidden under here. All right. So I'm going to take these bolts off. Now I can take the door panel off. This one comes off pretty easy once you get the bolts out. There's some cables here attached, so just got to be careful. Then we can find the bolts that are attached to the mirror. There they are right there. So it looks like we have to take these out, and there's probably something hidden behind there. We'll check that out in a sec. Looks like this comes off. Just got to remember the order of the seals. Here for the mirror. So I'm going to take these 2 items off. That one comes off. This is the new one. These are the 2 connectors. So it looks like this one you just got to push down and take out. There we go. Got it out. All right. So it looks like there's a bit of a seal in there. And there we have the 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I got to take those out. I have a feeling this will come out too, so I got to reattach that, and we're off to the races. All right, now I'm going to take these 3 bolts off and see what happens. I've loosened the harness. Pretty stable. It just pops out like that. See? There you go. Looks like the mirror is attached, so I'm going to have to reattach this mirror right here. See how that goes. So this is what it looks like without the mirror on, close up. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of use the old one as an example and attach the window to that one. So let's see how that works out. So we've got both units here. Looks like we have some Torx in here that are keeping this on. And if I make a comparison, yeah, we just got to screw those in that way. So I'll find that Torx. Let's see what else is holding on to this. Looks like we have a Torx in there. We'll take that off, see what happens. I found another Torx. Right there. Everything's hidden. They wanted to charge me about $1,000 to do this. So I thought, I'll do it myself. you go. There's a seal in there, so we kind of have to watch that. There we go. Here it is. Here's the window I got attached to the new one here. So I got all the 4 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are quite snug. Let's try these ones again. Just gotta double check. Yeah, that's not going anywhere. I noticed the old seal was a bit bigger than the new seal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this part out and I'm just going to attach it there because it won't hurt. So just have a look here. This one has to line up. Yeah, that one's closer now. I'd had it at the wrong angle. Yeah, there it is. So I'm just gonna go on the touch panel, press fold, and you see how it folds up and unfold. Works perfectly. This is what the new one looks like with the cover on it. Like brand new. Perfect. So I put the door panel back on and we should be good. It's tricky. There we go. There's the top. And just gonna move the mirror over. Everything functions 100%. All right, that took about 45 minutes. Got the assembly, installed it, tested it, and everything's functioning 100% now. I hope this video helps. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.